Hello, myself Dr. Deepak Shirbhate. I am working as a principal of Vikramshila Polytechnic Darapur, Taluka Daryapur, District, Amravati, Maharashtra State of India. And today I am going to demonstrate you virtual reality modeling language miscellaneous codes using Vivati Studio. This will be the second part of the previous video that I have uploaded on YouTube. So I will be discussing some miscellaneous code in created in virtual reality modeling language. So let us start with this. The first code that I am going to show you is the background switch code. The node tree for the background switch code is given on my left, and the roots are like this, given on the right. It is a very simple type of code, and there is one click touch sensor, and you can see that there is a change in the background. So Lord Buddha's statue is there. If you click on that statue, there will be change in the background. And this is a JPG file which is applied, which enables the change. So there are two backgrounds, background 1 and background 2, and with the help of touch sensor we are switching the background. So this is a very simple type of code. Then there is a normal interpolation code. Normal interpolation actually allows you to change the shadow or say shine of the object, light which is falling on the surface of the object, that can be changed with the help of normal interpolation. So this is one object which I have created with a normal interpolation. Of course, this object was not that much perfect. My intention was to create something else, but I was not able to manage the coordinates, so something distorted has been created. This is the object having color per vertex. So it is a pyramid actually, having color per vertex, and normal interpolation is applied, so coordinates are changing, and this is the output. This is a perfect object actually, which is created with normal interpolation, and you can see that there is a change in the uh, shadow, which is change in the surface actually, shine. It is becoming a little bit blackish. In the front view it is very clearly visible. The gray color becomes black actually, dark black. So this is because of the normal interpolation. So actually normal interpolation affects the light which is falling on the surface. Then this is somewhat managed code. So this is again a normal interpolation, and this is somewhat I have managed. Then views feature using anchor node. Now what we can do is that with the help of anchor node actually we can switch the view. uh, there are certain statues, and I am actually on the rotating platform, and from the rotating platform I can see the statues around me. This is one view. Now let us see the entire view. This is the second view. So initially I have landed on this statue, and to every statue there is one view associated, so I can switch the views if I click on the statue. So this is how we can change the views. This is how we can change the views, particularly in a large VRML world. We can change the views using this. Now again I am going to the moving platform. Okay, this is a moving platform, and if I change the view of the moving platform, then I will be on the moving platform. This is a first view, and now you can see that rest of the statues are rotating because I am standing on the moving platform, and I'm viewing all the objects around me. So this is a view switcher using VRML. Then again, this is the view in which all the objects are visible. All the statues are there. All the statues are there. Okay. So this is how view switcher works. Then these are the objects which are connected with sphere sensor. The helmet and ball pads are connected with sphere sensor, and then there, then there is a connection between the two objects actually. So operating one object will cause rotation of the other object. This is also a very simple type of code, and with this code I have displayed actually the cricket accessories. So objects are connected with sphere sensor. Everywhere there is a sphere sensor. So thanks for watching my video. In case of any query or clarification, you can contact me on my contact details, and the code in shown in this particular exercise are available for free download and practice, and the link is given in the description. And check comment section for more links on Vivity Studio tutorials. Thank you.